So, good morning, guys. It is Wednesday, and this is day 4 of my laser lipo treatment. So, let me give you guys a spiel of what happened yesterday, which was Tuesday. Tuesday, I was supposed to have a meeting with my PR, and she's a planner as well, and she's someone I've known for years. And unfortunately, yesterday, Mother Nature decided to start, and I was not a happy camper. But I did meal prep though.
Fake smile. I just recording our meal prep. Look at it.
That's great.
You look even better when you look at yours from on top.
I should have left mine tops off. I'll take it up, but you go to, baby.
Take it, baby.
So yeah, that's what happened yesterday. I spent the rest of the day yesterday just kind of finishing up some stuff with wig making 101 online courses and social media and stuff like that. I need to get my butt back onto my Instagram. I haven't been posting as much stuff on my Instagram. So right now I'm getting ready to go to my 4th session, and I'll show you guys what's happening for the rest of the day, because Wednesday is kind of it's a busy but not too busy day. So yeah, watch and see.
I just got home. I have a conference call that I need to do with one of my mentors, and she's also my client as well. And I just received something in the mail that I have been working on. If you guys saw my last video on my nails, I need to redo them anyway. But if you saw the video of me doing Polygel nails, and I shout out to Susie from Nail Career Education, that's her channel, and I started getting flooded with emails on Polygel review, and I'm about to do an unboxing, and then I'm going to do a separate video of the Polygel. So I want to show you guys what they sent me. A lot to open. I probably should do this in my room, right? Let's do this in my room. These are nail drill bits, which I already have quite a few of them myself. I've always really done my nails, my own nails, but this electric, it's called an E-Ffile electric nail drill machine. JD700. This is the company. You can find them on Amazon, and yeah, I cannot wait to use this bad baby. I have hand drills, but this is a professional one, and I am very, very happy to get this one. And they sent me a nail extension gel kit or nail builder. So let me show you. I'm gonna open it. The camera's in my mouth, guys. The camera's in my mouth, sorry. Awesome. So I didn't get a chance to record the red that I have with the last Polygel that I got from a different company on Amazon, but I did use the nail forms. So I might decide to do it again just to show you how I use them. I'm not not really keen on using them like that, but they worked out pretty well. My nails need to be redone anyway, and I'm not a person who cares to do fill-ins. I like to just take everything off and start all over. But the cool thing is these have different colors. There's misty rose, there's light pink, dark pink, natural pink, bright white, and I believe this is transparent, so that means it's clear. And I'm not really a fan on clear polygel unless I'm going to be coloring my nails quite often, but we'll see. You know, adding color polish. And then, as usual, they have your base gel coat and your top off. And they give you files, and this one looks pretty darn cool. Let's see. Why did I open both sides? Don't know. This one is quite different from the one that I did receive, because the one I received only had a top for one side, but this one has a top for both sides. Yay! I think that's really, really cool. So it's a smaller brush. I use a bigger brush when I do my own nails, mainly because well, I'm acrylic girl, actually, but I'm starting to love polygel now because of how easy they are to take off and redo again. But this is the brush that is best to use if you're going to be using the nail forms. So yeah, just from my experience and learning from Susie. Again, Susie, thank you. I only have about 30 minutes to prepare myself for this meeting conference call, so I will see you guys in the next clip. So I'm finally going to sit down and stuff my face, and then I need to record some very, very important information and get a video out today. So when you see this video, it'll already be up. But I meal prepped Tuesday, like I said, and I'm going to eat one of these as my first meal because I don't feel like cooking my usual favorite eggs and spinach. I might have that a little bit later, or depending on what Mario decides he wants to eat, we'll eat that. But we're going to keep it clean as usual. So I have chicken and broccoli. Can you guys even see? Maybe this is a better way of doing it. I'm having chicken and broccoli. So that's what I'm going to have. I know I have to lower my carb intake because my body just does better on low carb. I understand my body type, and my body type requires a balance of everything. Carbs, protein, and good fats. And I mean good fats, not just any kind of fats. But this is what I'm going to have. I might have about a spoonful of avocado or guacamole, if that's what you want to do. It's spicy. And I'm going to finish the rest of my day.